Uh-oh, the friendship rainbow is broken and only teamwork can fix it. Watch as our creative friends use magical crayons and building blocks to save the day in the most colorful adventure ever. Hi there, creative friends. I'm so excited you're here today. Do you see that beautiful rainbow up in the sky? Oh no. Look closely. Can you see what's wrong? That's right. Some of the colors are missing. This isn't just any rainbow. It's the friendship rainbow. And when it's broken, friends everywhere have trouble playing together and sharing their creativity. But don't worry. We have some amazing friends who know just what to do. Meet Maya, who loves to draw with crayons, and Sam, who's the best block builder in the whole neighborhood. And there's Zoe, who can make the most wonderful crafts with paper and glue. Can you wave hello to our creative friends? Wave with me. Hello, Maya. Hello, Sam. Hello, Zoe.
Friends, we need to work together to fix this. But how do we put colors back in the sky?
I have an idea. What if we use our creativity to make our own rainbow colors down here first? Then maybe the magic will help fix the one in the sky.
Yes, and we can use all our favorite art supplies. Maya, you have those magical crayons that make the most beautiful colors.
Can you help them think of what colors they need? Let's count them together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. That's 7 colors. Can you count to 7 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job.
Look at all these wonderful colors. But to make the rainbow really special, we need to work as a team. Sam, can you build us a tall tower so we can reach up high?
I'll make the tallest, strongest tower ever, but I need help. Maya, can you hand me the red blocks? Zoe, can you pass me the blue ones?
This is what real teamwork looks like, friends. Everyone helps everyone else. Can you show me how you would help a friend? Pretend to hand them something special. That's wonderful.
I'm making a friendship banner. Each color represents something special about being friends.
These decorations will make our rainbow even more magical. When friends work together, everything becomes more beautiful.
Can you make the sound of scissors cutting paper? Snip, snip, snip. And can you make the sound of crayons coloring? Swish, swish, swish. You're such good helpers. Now Sam's tower is tall and strong. Maya's rainbow banner is bright and colorful. And Zoe's decorations are sparkling in the sunlight.
Ready, friends? Let's hold up our friendship rainbow together.
All 3 friends work together to attach Maya's beautiful rainbow banner to Sam's tall tower, decorated with all of Zoe's special hearts and stars. As they lift it up high, something magical happens. The colors from their friendship rainbow start to glow and dance, floating up toward the broken rainbow in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. All the colors swirl together like a beautiful dance. Can you dance like the colors? Spin around like red, bounce like orange, stretch up tall like yellow, sway like green. You're doing amazing. And then, whoosh! The friendship rainbow in the sky is complete again. All the colors are bright and beautiful, stretching from one end of the sky to the other.
We did it! We fixed the friendship rainbow.
And we did it together! My blocks, Maya's crayons, and Zoe's crafts, we all needed each other.
That's what friendship is all about. Sharing our special talents and working as a team.
The friendship rainbow shines brighter than ever, and all around the neighborhood, friends are playing together, sharing their toys, and creating wonderful things. Now it's your turn, creative friends. What would you like to create today? Maybe you could draw a picture with crayons like Maya, or build something amazing with blocks like Sam, or make a special craft like Zoe. Remember, the most important thing is to share your creativity with friends and family. When we work together and help each other, we can create the most beautiful, magical things, just like our friendship rainbow. Can you say our friendship cheer with me? When friends work together, magic happens every day. Creativity and kindness light up the way. Great job, creative friends. Keep being amazing, keep creating, and keep being wonderful friends. Until next time, keep your creativity shining bright.